Hi everyone, I'm Valentina and I have an unboxing to share with you today. This is a new bag by Longchamp. I've had their tote bag in large Le Pliage and I have been using it mostly as a travel bag, also as a daily tote, and I have really been liking the quality and the design. And I've had the mini one on my wish list. I wanted to purchase it for months, but I couldn't decide on the color. I wanted it in extra small, and then when I saw this new version from the spring collection, I knew I wanted that one. Very excited to open this and see how it is in person. This is the box that it comes in, and here it is. There it is. Ooh, it is super tiny. This is the from the new spring collection with artichokes. And it does look almost the same like on the website. I mean, the colors, it looks a bit more pale in person than it does on the website and on my camera, but it is super cute. Do you remember that movie Amélie? I was obsessed with that movie when I was a teenager. It was my favorite movie, and some of the movie quotes just stick in my head with me forever. And I remember there was a quote from it, at least you'll never be an artichoke, even artichokes have hearts, or something like that, which is basically about some French expression how of people who fall in love easily. I don't know why this reminds me of that quote and that movie. It is such a cute bag for the spring. This is in canvas, and I love how they put vegetables instead of cherries or strawberries or some other like typical fruit motifs for spring. Let's open this. Okay. This is how it looks like from inside. There is the strap, and we are going to see what fits here. It is pretty tiny, but I can see that it will fit my phone and all of like my most necessary items. I will open this. I'm going to show you how it looks like on me, of course, but this is the leather strap from Longchamp. They also like smell the leather. I always do that with the new purses. So I have a couple of things here that I'll put in just so you can see what fits. This is my phone. This is 16 Pro Max. I'm gonna show you like this. So it is a little bit bigger than the phone, but also I never use bag organizers because I just think that they take space in the bag, and I'm just always trying to use the most space that I can. Here is my little Celine wallet, which has a detachable card holder on this side, so I'm gonna see if it can fit the whole wallet. If not, then I'm just going to use the card holder, but it can, and there is still some space left. I'm gonna put my car keys, my mirror, my AirPods, which I don't always carry around with me. And then I have two lipstick products. This is my newest lipstick from reformulated Rouge Coco by Chanel that I have on right now. It is such a gorgeous pink shade, and it fits that as well. There is even some space left, just a little bit of space. If I wanted to just add another lipstick or something really small, it would definitely fit. I'm going to so tiny and cute. If you are into mini bags, you're going to love this one. It is so small, so of course it doesn't need any organizer, but here my phone is making it flat on this side where you can see the picture of the artichoke. And here are the Longchamp logos, of course, right there, and then another one on the back as well. And here are the hooks for the straps. I love how they put them right on the handle and not on the sides. It is so adorable. I'm so happy. This is currently sold out, but it was sold out as well when I purchased it, so I think they restock it often. I'm going to put the straps on right now and try it. This is a canvas bag, so I don't know about the durability, but it's not a design that, you know, I will be carrying. I will not be wearing it every day. I don't think it's gonna go with that many outfits, maybe with just all white or more simple colors. That's why I think I will be able to wear it for a long time. Okay, so this is how it looks like on me. I am 170 centimeters, which is 5'7", crossbody. I think I'll adjust the strap just a little bit so that it sits on my hip. And there it is. My camera is a bit far, so I don't see very well what it looks like, but it feels very comfortable. Of course, Longchamp has a very quality leather, and this is what it looks like if I just carry it in my hand as a handbag. You can see how tiny it is. I can even carry it like this. This is nice. This is the kind of outfit that I would be wearing for this bag. Luckily, I have a lot of white clothes. Before I continue, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am very happy with this purchase. It is such a cute little bag. I don't really do bag charms, but I think I might with this bag. I think it would go pretty well with the design, and it's so comfortable. The strap is comfortable, the size, the material, everything. You can really feel the quality on this one. There is also a pink version available on the website. I will link it down below, which I also liked very much. There is a medium size of this design as well that I loved also for picnics, but I wanted to get the small version. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.